my sunshines. Today I am going to be making a couple hors d'oeuvres, and both of them require cheddar cheese. So I am going to go ahead and shred it up. I'm using extra sharp cheddar. First I'm going to make the cheese puffs because they have to go and chill. For half a cup of flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, which is a dash, cup of cheese, and I'll be generous with my cup. And then with your hand, you're gonna mash that up until you have a smooth dough. Kinda kneaded. Look like this. I'm gonna roll them into small balls and then refrigerate them for a half an hour. Of course, if you're making these to take somewhere or whatever, you'd wanna at least probably double the recipe. This batch made 23 cheese puffs. Put it in the refrigerator to cool. For this next hors d'oeuvre, I'm gonna need some crunchy bread. So I have little French bread slices. I'm gonna brush them with butter, and I'm gonna toast them at 350 for probably about 5 minutes. Now I'll put them in the oven. This recipe is called black olive canapes. I don't really care for olives, but I love this recipe. It said chopped green onions. There weren't any at the store. When without, figure it out. Need a half a cup of chopped onion. Drain a can of olives, 1 cup of finely chopped olives. Alexa, stop. And they should look like that. 2 cups of grated cheese, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of curry. And you're gonna mix that up and spread it on our bread. Right. Alexa, skip. Flip the bread over. It ended up taking about 10-15 minutes to get it crisp. Put your mixture on. The recipe says put it in 325-350 oven. I'm going to put it in at 350. It says until the cheese is melted. So I'm going to start at 7 minutes.
Hungry?
Hungry.
You are hungry? You're hungry.
Hungry. For the black olive canapes, I would omit the salt because the olives are plenty salty enough. These took about 13 minutes. I'm going to put the cheese puffs in the oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. Everybody come and get 1 or 2. I'll give you 1 to see if you like them. You can be honest.
It tastes like
Yeah,
chicken
it
salad.
does. Hey, cheers.
Okay.
That's good.
Let me take out my cheese puffs, and they did take about 15 minutes.
It's hot.
You want some?
Try it. It's cheese. It's cheese. Oh.